Hi, I'm Elizabeth, owner of Sarasota Home Organizer. Today we're going to talk about how to keep your kids' rooms organized while still remaining functional and fun. Today I'm spending some time with my client's son, Raymond, who's 8 years old, and we're in his room, and what I wanted to do is show you how we've made the best use of space to help make it still be a fun place for him, but also have a place to put everything. He's able to put things away and keep it tidy, and also still be a fun place for him to hang out and play and enjoy his room. We put in this loft bed here, which I love. There's a little space underneath for playing, hanging out, reading books. I just think that kids always like spending time in their little cave, so I love that. And so we've got your books here, bins to put everything in. He's got toys in here. What's nice is that it's accessible, but it still looks nice and tidy, but it's really meant for him. It's low down on his level, so he can find things right away, and more importantly, pick up his room and put things away. When it came to Legos, we decided to keep it as simple as possible. We've got each set in its own Ziploc bag. Got the instructions in there so you can see what it is, and everything just goes into each bag, and then when you're done playing with it, it gets put away. They're easy to find, easy to keep tidy. Everyone loves Legos. Nobody likes stepping on a Lego, so this way Raymond can find what he has, but then it can also be put away neatly. And obviously, you know, we put it in a drawer that's low down because we want the kids to be able to have access to it and also be able to put it away. I'm Elizabeth, owner of Sarasota Home Organizer. To learn more about me and my team, go to sarasotahomeorganizer.com, and don't forget to check us out on social media for more tips and tricks on how to keep you and your family organized.